Ready?
Hey, did you get the 10,000 likes? I'll crash my car on purpose. Watch the video. Hey, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
No way, bro. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you, bro.
I'm at a carmeet right now. I wasn't even recording today, but I'm on my phone right now. But I just met a fan, dude. That's crazy, bro. Thank you, bro. If you're watching this video, bro, I love you, bro. Really, like real shit, bro. I really love you, bro. Like for real. I think I'm in love now, bro. Damn, bro. That's crazy.
First fan that walked up to him, bro. That's Gr86 channel. He's the only dude making Midnight Sakudo videos out here,
Bro, appreciate you.
The car sounds absolutely amazing, you guys. Especially with the unequaling header. Dude, must need on the Gr86/BRZ. We just arrived, bro. Let's get it. Oh, that's all. That's all. Okay, bye. What's up, bro? How you doing? What's your name, bro? Josh? Nice to meet you. Nate. Nice to meet you. The intake, and that's the header right there. Oh, what is even in here? It's probably some like.
Look at the intake. That's Tomei.
That's it. This is the intake, and that's the Tomei header, and I'm tuned right now.
Did the intake make it like way louder?
Dude,
I removed my carbon air filter thing.
Oh, you moved. Dang, you already removed that already?
Yeah.
Dude, I mean, like the intake, dude. It feel like for me, dude, since I got a tune.
Yeah.
Dude, I just uploaded the video, bro. You can hear the intake way louder. Every time I let go of the gas, it goes.
What'd you get a tune from? Is it like a flash tune or what?
Yeah, it's like a EcuTech flash tune. So all you gotta do is just like plug it in. It goes through your phone. I think you have it right here, actually.
Let me see it.
But how do you like your car so far, bro? You love it, huh? Wait, you already got exhaust on it?
Yeah, the power, it's decent.
It's decent? I mean,
And then like, we were trying to take that shit out, bro. I scratched the fuck out of it, bro.
Oh, shit.
How much you benching, John? How much you benching?
50.
Oh, shit. Why do you
Now you gotta like move that shit forward.
Bro, my boy got the Gapplebees. Oh, and the M3.
Hey, yo, there's a op, bro. Let's go.
Those are your
What's up? This is like some white old lady, bro.
Launch it in. Dang, the M3 comp, bro. Sheesh, bro, that's gotta be crazy. You really be gapping people?
Fucking economy cars.
Hey, where
Oh,
the hell's the light?
you got 40. Ready? Oh, Gapplebees. Yo. Versus Elantra N. We're in Mexico right now, y'all. Alright, you guys, so we are at the beach right now, dude. Took us probably like 30 minutes to get here. Give you guys a little POV drive, but it wasn't nothing really crazy, but dude, we're stuck in this line for like damn near 20 minutes, bro. But look at the beach though. Sheesh. We got our photographer right there doing the work. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get the twins. Well, this place is beautiful, y'all. Just had the most expensive milkshake ever. $9.
looks they were so good. Bro, it's gonna come out so good. I got you, bro.
I saw that view, I was like,
Bro, I know. I got such a good clip. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, the M5 is taking over. Oh, the M5 is taking over. Sheesh! Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude, this is such a beautiful place, guys. But imagine living here though, like, sure it would be nice, but with all the traffic, like if you're trying to leave the house here, you gotta stay in traffic for like at least like 30 minutes. Alright, but we're pulling up to a gas station right now. 4.0 liter. Dude, the rims are so big on this. Sheesh. This is the poor man. Damn, tongue twister. Poor man's Porsche. That's the rich man's Porsche, man. One day, bro. One day. But for me, this is already enough for me. Struggling to pay this thing off. Same thing. Is that an R1?
the gas cap thing in the front.
Yeah, dude, this thing's crazy, bro. But you gotta still continue to work hard. Trying to first pay off this car. It is kind of hard paying off this car, especially at a young age. Dang, but look at this. M5 comp, bro. I know the CS has bucket seats in the back, which is crazy, bro. But this is already impressive enough, man. Sheesh.
Here we go. Get off the shotgun.
Guys, what do you think for the M3 on the channel, bro? Oh my God. No bucket seats though, but this is perfect, bro. This spec is actually pretty good, right, Guts? All right, guys, they are ending the day off right here, but we're still continuing on the vlog slash, I don't know, video, whatever you may call it. But me and Warren, the subscriber that we just, linked up with, we're gonna go to the base community meet and we're gonna see what's up, man. They're also gonna have a little cruise through Anaheim, so we're gonna see how it is. But yeah, nice meeting up with those people. First time meeting them. Definitely got out of my comfort zone to, you know, interact, because I used to be an introvert, man. So, oh, was that a cop? Shit. All right, y'all, we just pulled up. Got the twins over here.
Subscribe to my OnlyFans, please.
Oh, chill, bro.
86 toes.
86 toes, bro.
86 toes in my mouth.
86 toes in your mouth. Pause, bro. It's got the full bolt-on i8, bro.
Oh, yeah, it's electric.
All electric. No, it's hybrid. Dang, look at this, bro. Carbon seats and all, bro. 6-speed manual? No way. Dang, bro. You don't see.
Nah, never mind.
Oh. Nah, it looks like it, huh?
It
Yeah.
does, huh? I've seen one of them. I've seen 160, but.
Hey, how much for one of those?
20 bucks. You're doing too much, bro. Just back up.
Bro,
I thought it was Tom. It's not him. I'll tell you, yell his name. His cluster, bro, every light's on. The check engine, the fucking battery, everything's on.
everything, bro.
It's a Christmas tree, dog. Look at it. Why does this thing so long?
He's still cooking, bro.
Bro, does this, he did all that, does not know how to freaking park? He slants it.
Are we going? Oh, here we go again, bro. Here we go again. He's laughing.
Bro, do not know how to park. Hey, if this video gets to 10,000 likes, I'll crash my car on purpose.
You hear this guy, bro?
I want to explain.
What y'all thinking? C63 or M3? Which one y'all thinking? Sheesh, bro, this shit's so clean. Damn, bro.
What's this other shit full of, bro?
Bi
Is this
turbo.
your boy? Is this not your boy?
Oh.
Hey. Yo, you have lights in here? It's stock or what? Yeah.
Down pipe and a tune.
It's making 460 horsepower in first gear only.
First
40
gear.
pounds of boost, bro.
40 pounds
40
of
pounds of boost. It's like 3
Bro,
freaking
you
minutes.
sold on the 8. You should not have bought the 86, bro.
Why does it have a red button? Rev matching. Auto rev match.
Oh, you got auto rev matching?
Dude, it saves the clutch so much, bro.
Yeah?
It saves it so much. And it makes it so much easier to drive, so I don't have to fucking move my feet everywhere.
Type shit, bro.
Like when I'm taking a corner, I can literally just auto rev match instead of fucking having to move my feet and shit.
Type shit, yeah, fuck with that.
You sold.
W rap or what?
Okay, watch out, guys. Back up. Watch your feet.
I'm gonna self park on it. What the fuck?
Come back you in. All right, to the end of the corner.